First time in the world, we have Corvette C8 2025. This is OM exhaust. This car, Borla exhaust, and this car, Corsa exhaust. Every owner of the Corvette, he is confusing. Should I buy Corsa exhaust or should I buy Borla exhaust? We don't any manipulating of the sound, never. It is one clip, one sound, no editor, not anything. So now listening to the Borla exhaust. Like a guitar. I love this sound. Now listen to the Corsa exhaust. Wow. It's very loud sound, very loud. I switch off now. If you can see, Corsa, it is very loud sound. But Borla, it is like a symphony, like a guitar. It is a good sound. Also it is loud, but Corsa, more louder. So if you want louder sound, take a Corsa. But if you want good sound, take Borla. The both is good. If you choose Borla or Corsa, it's good. But I make this video in raw, nothing to add in the sound, no manipulating like a company what they do. No, it's a raw sound. So you can choose between Corsa and between Borla. And tell me, who is better, Corsa or Borla for you? Also, we have that car. And you listen to sound now. Maybe you don't like C8. You want something more better sound. So I tell you one thing. You should buy a Z06. It's enough. It's enough. It does not shut down. It's enough. If you want more, buy a Z06.